Do you ever feel like your living space is weighed down by negative energy or just stuck? Well, today, we're going to change that. Welcome, mindful souls. Today, we're diving into a cleansing ritual using the Witchcraft Starter Kit, a treasure chest of magical tools that'll guide you through your witchy journey. This ritual is designed to release stagnant or negative energies, allowing fresh, vibrant vibes to flow in. Stay with us to learn how to easily transform your space with this powerful cleansing ritual. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of mindful souls. Let's jump right in. So grab your kit and let's get started. Before we begin the ritual, let's gather everything you'll need to make this cleansing experience truly magical. For this ritual, you'll need a blue candle, a bowl of water, sea salt, lavender, a magic spoon. Now that you're ready, let's start with step 1. Set the mood. First things first, light your blue candle. Blue is all about calm, communication, and purification, just the energy we need for this ritual. Focus on the flame and allow it to center you. As it flickers, imagine the space around you filling with peaceful, cleansing energy. Important safety precautions. Always place your candle on a stable, heat-resistant surface and never leave it unattended. Keep flammable objects away from the flame. If using essential oils instead of dried lavender, be mindful of allergies or sensitivities. Step 2. Prepare your water. Now, take your bowl of water. Water is a powerful element for purification. Add a pinch of sea salt. It's known for its cleansing properties. And some lavender for peace and tranquility. As you stir, use your magical spoon, moving it clockwise to bring the water's energy into harmony with your intention. Step 3. Infuse the water with your intention. With your fingers dipped into the water, say these words aloud. By water, salt, and sacred herb, I cleanse this space of all disturb. Feel the energy shift as you channel your intention into the water. Visualize it absorbing any negativity from your environment, leaving it pure and refreshed. Step 4. Walk the space. Now, it's time to walk around your space. Start at the entrance and walk clockwise around each room, sprinkling the water into the corners and doorways. As you move, imagine the water dissolving any stagnant or negative energy. You're creating a flow of positivity throughout the space. Step 5. Seal the space with love and light. Once you've made your way around, stand in the center of your space and say, "This space is cleansed, pure, and bright, filled now with love and light." Visualize your space radiating with positivity, love, and fresh energy. You've created a sanctuary for peace and growth. Step 6. Let the candle burn. Leave the candle burning for at least 10 minutes to anchor the energy in your space. Once the time has passed, gently snuff out the candle, knowing that your space is now filled with healing, protective energy. And there you have it. Your space is now cleansed and ready to welcome fresh, positive energy. How do you feel? Remember, this ritual can be done as often as you feel called to, whether it's to clear heavy energy or simply to refresh your surroundings. So, next time your space feels off, trust in the power of this ritual to restore balance and clarity. If you found this ritual helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Share your cleansing experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how this ritual worked for you. And if you're ready to start your own magical journey, you can get your very own Witchcraft Starter Kit through the link in the description below. Until next time, keep trusting your magic, and may your space be filled with love and light.